it's Miki. Today we are making something tasty and full of protein.
As an athlete, I need a lot of protein for my muscles. I'm making a chicken quinoa avocado salad, one of my favorite high-protein meals. Protein is crucial for anyone who's into fitness. It helps repair muscles after a workout and supports growth. And while carbs and fats are easy to come by, getting enough protein can sometimes be a challenge. First up, let's cook the quinoa. Rinse 1 cup of quinoa under cold water, then add it to 2 cups of boiling water. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for about 15 minutes until all the water is absorbed. Quinoa is a fantastic source of protein and it's gluten-free. It's also loaded with fiber, which keeps you feeling full longer. Once it's done, let it sit for a few minutes and then fluff it with a fork.
While the quinoa is cooking, let's get our chicken ready.
Season 2, chicken breasts with salt and pepper. Then, cook them on a grill or in a skillet over medium heat for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side until they're fully cooked. Chicken is one of the best sources of lean protein. It's versatile and pairs well with almost anything. Once the chicken is cooked, let it cool down a bit before chopping. Now for the veggies. Dice 1 avocado, 1 red bell pepper, 1 cucumber, and a 1/4 cup of red onion. Fresh veggies add a ton of nutrients and a nice crunch to our salad. Avocado provides healthy fats, while bell peppers are rich in vitamins A and C. Cucumbers and red onions add hydration and flavor. It's like a rainbow in a bowl.
Alright, let's combine everything.
Add the cooked quinoa and chicken to the bowl with the veggies. This is starting to look amazing. Mixing all these ingredients together not only makes a colorful dish, but also ensures you're getting a balanced meal. It's a perfect post-workout fuel.
Time for the dressing.
In a small bowl, whisk together a 1/4 cup of olive oil, the juice of 1 lemon, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Pour it over the salad and give it a good toss. This dressing is light and fresh, complementing the flavors of the salad perfectly. Olive oil and lemon juice add a touch of healthy fats and a zesty finish.
Wow, so delicious! Hit protein salad. Remember to eat enough protein. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think. Kiss you!